Casa del Palms is one of the best kept secrets of all wonderful stories and experiences in Nagaon. So we're going to take you through this journey today. Hi everybody, welcome to Casa del Palms. Everything here is a story and my journey over the last 35 years. And I'm going to take you through this journey along with my firstborn, Arjun Vaidya. He has been an integral part of this place along with his younger brother, Karan. Our first home in Alibaug, when Arjun and Karan were little, when they were about 3 and 5 years old, we started coming here. The style of this house is very colonial, very Goan Portuguese, and so everything you will see inside is got a touch of that kind of a feel. This place has been not just a weekend home. This has been a retreat in the world of our time. So my dream was to give my childhood to my children. Everything was about outdoors and indoors where there was a physical activity. But it's also been made through my travels, inspirations, pieces, memorabilia that could put our lives and memories together.
Lots of memories coming here for weekends and then hating having to go back on Sunday because we had to disconnect from the fantasy world that was Alibaug and go back to reality, which was school. The other interesting part about this house was there was never a television here until about 15, 17 years ago. And so you would not waste your time on watching movies, watching TV. There were so many memories of trips where we have played 5 hours of cricket, 6 hours of pool, we had a small tennis court, 3 hours of that, 3 hours of badminton. This entire place was just about sport. Like we wouldn't stop playing. And I think that became a big part of my life going forward.
Every piece, every pillar, every post, every stump has a story to it. And I want to share this story. So first I'll start with my favorite memory. This home was built for my family. And to see that the children have upbringing that is not just about indoors and the city life and the bonding that we would have as a family. And somehow or the other, the only thing that brought great memories for me was doing for the 3 people I care for the most. My wife and my 2 boys. So everything that I do till date, of course, I fulfill my passion of creativity in it.
Yeah, of course, I love sport and I feel like this is the part of the villa that I've been a part of building, so the pickleball court. And the reason it is because it's, of course, fun physical activity, but it's also a great way to bring everyone together. Everybody from my aunt who's 65 to my niece who's 7 years old and maybe Aisha who's 3 is playing, and it's got the family even more together on a physical activity, so I absolutely love it. Yeah, I think for me it's the feeling of home. This is not a typical B&B vacation rental. We allow people into our homes, into our rooms. There's so many people who booked this place who know us and have seen our photos on the wall and sent it to us. And everything about this home is extremely personal. It has everything that means a lot to all of us. So there's a part of the house which has plates from almost all the places that we've traveled to. If you go to my room, you'll see a lot of sports memorabilia, from a Mumbai Indians jersey to Lewis Hamilton signed gloves, to a signed jersey of Dhoni, to my Qatar World Cup tickets and the scarves I got from there. And that feeling of a personal touch, and you've come with your family or with your loved ones to a home and you live with the feeling of a home away from home. I think that's the feeling we'd like everyone to leave here with.
So we talk about memorabilia. His brother will kill him if he doesn't add one more. There's Barcelona's Messi's t-shirt.
Yeah, signed Messi t-shirt as well in his room, not in my room.
It's in the office room. Yeah, but yeah.
I think that there's a special feeling of home and a personal experience here. So I want the guests who come here to bond more with their friends, bond more with their families, but most importantly, leave here with some special memories that they can cherish for a very long time, but also bring them back to this beautiful villa.